Okay, what's this? A lot of cobblestone here. Me, railway, oh. Wow. Western, ano, Best Western. Yeah, Best Western, yeah.
Nagtira na tayo sa ganyan. No?
Yeah.
Si Mary, Catherine ano pala ito?
Yeah, kaya ang akala mo lang kung titignan mo pwedeng straight. May naglalakad dito, may oh. Look, yan oh. Parang ito, dead, ano ito, dead. Gusto mo? Kaya mo yan? Gusto mo maglakad dyan? Wow, rapid city. Buka. Very windy here. South. Yan ang McDonald's nila. Quality Inn. Ano mami? Baymont. Mita sa Baymont. Slower than California. California you can drive 70. But over here the maximum speed is probably 65. Yeah, beautiful pine trees growing now. When did they planted you here? Yeah, beautiful trees. So they're gonna be bigger and bigger. Be careful kaya daba ka. Okay, that's all for today. This is our beautiful home for 4 days. This is Comfort Suites, located in Elk Road, Rapid City. What? Elk Vale Road, Rapid City. Okay. Pwede pala tayong room, pero yung paa natin may baka sayang. Baka ito naman may that's steakhouse naman yan. Gusto maglakad doon?
No.
Let's go. Madami na lumalabas oh. Parang nag one night lang sila dito may. Okay, we're heading back inside, and we can drink water, go back to our room, and then call in for the transportation which will take us to Mount Rushmore. Okay, turn this off.